Do you have a vision for next year? I have my vision board for 2019 on my home screen so I can motivate myself to make it happen. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a what is on my iPad video. Yesterday I did a what is on my iPhone video and you guys seem to enjoy that, and I love filming these kind of videos for you guys. I love sitting down and just talking to you guys. So in my last video I talked about how I organize the home screen of my iPhone and how it's color coded and looks really pretty. Well, my iPad is my baby. This goes everywhere with me along with my iPhone. I literally buy my purses and my handbags to make sure that my iPad fits in it. If it doesn't fit in the bag, I will not buy it. So let's start by talking about what case I have. So this is like a marble effect case, which I actually got from Amazon. I love this case because pink marble is my favorite. It actually matches the background screen that I have on my iPhone, and I love like rose gold and blush pink and everything like that. So that's pretty much the theme going along with my iPad. And the back is just kind of see-through, but I plan on filling this whole back with stickers and cutesy little things. I haven't decided what stickers I want to put on there yet. I've been researching and looking on Redbubble, Society6, all those different places to find really cute stickers that will go well with my theme. These days my iPad literally replaces my laptop. Like my MacBook is a 2014 MacBook Pro and it's really old and it got me through college and it was great, but now I have like missing keys. It's like so beat up from constantly like traveling back and forth on the bus, and I don't know, it's just it needs to be healed and I don't want to spend healing money. I do everything on my iPad now, and if I need to do anything more vigorous like editing and stuff, I'll use my desktop, which is what I edit my videos on. I use it to take amazing notes. I organize my life, my calendar. I blog directly from here. I get my images, edit my images, everything, edit all my photos on here. Like, this is literally my baby. The accessories that I have with my iPad, so this is the Apple wireless keyboard. This is the first generation wireless keyboard that Apple made. I got this when I had my very first iPad, which was the iPad 4. Now like 7 or 8 years, maybe even longer I've had it, and it works perfectly with my iPad Pro, and I take that along with my iPad everywhere. The most important accessory I have with my iPad, this memory card reader. I got this from Amazon. So it basically just has like the Apple cable at the end, and then it's got a slot for a large memory card, a small memory card, and a USB slot. It is literally the best invention for an iPad. So the next accessory that I have is the Apple Pencil. I don't even use my fingers for anything anymore. It's just, I even tap and like click, and I like annotate blog photos and stuff. Okay, so let's actually get started on what's on my iPad. So on my lock screen, I have my 2019 vision board. It basically just has a ton of visual images, little notes to myself, and I keep this on here to remind me of all the things that I want to achieve and want to grow. Every time I whip out my iPad, which is like every 5 minutes, I can remind myself, okay, come on, let's work towards your goal. As I go inside, same as my iPhone, but my iPhone has way more apps. My iPad, you know, I go from the yellows to the oranges to the reds, purples, blues, greens, blacks, and then white. Same format as my iPhone. And then my back screen is just a really cute like watercolor canvas, and then I put like a really cute Polaroid picture of my daughter on that. So I just have like, I open it up and see my daughter, and it's just like, oh, every time. So yeah, that's my home screen. So as far as apps, I've got Over, which I use on my iPhone as well sometimes if I'm just like doing a quick edit. Pages I rarely use. Find Friends, Tips, Books, Etsy, because they have so many like PDF printables and stuff, and using those on my iPad with the Notability app is just so perfect. I think I'm gonna actually do a how I take notes on my iPad video. I think that would be really useful for you guys because I have a really precise way and I use a bunch of different apps for it, and it would be too long to put in this video as well. Photo booth, my daughter loves that. News, Square Fit if you want to have square photos, but no one does that anymore. InShot, I love because you can edit videos. So if I want to edit like a short Instagram video, I use InShot, and I've used this a lot before, and I talked about this in my Instagram, and I talked about this in a how to like create really cute Instagram edits. So I'll link that video down below as well. Now, We Heart It. I've been using We Heart It since 2012. I'm like a We Heart It veteran, for real, for real. And if you guys use this app, it's basically like Pinterest, but it's kind of geared towards teenagers a little bit more because it's literally just images. Pinterest, people post like a lot of text driven images, but this is just all inspiration board images and I love it. It's the bomb. My Instagram, I've got my creative Instagram on here, which I haven't posted on in a gazillion years, but a lot of these images I've had turned into stickers on Redbubble. So if you guys ever want to get some stickers, you can find Abby Creates on Redbubble and get some cute stickers. Podcasts, I definitely use this. So you've got HypeType, which is a great app for adding text onto your images. I don't know, I can do like a more detailed video on that if you guys are interested, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Analog Cam is another camera that allows you to kind of make it seem really old school and vintage. Messages, I never use that. Duolingo, I use this because I'm trying to learn Spanish and Duolingo is such a great app and I do like a little module every single day. Then I've just got all my black apps, which are just like, I don't really use them except for I've got my Lux app at the top, which is basically my website, which is herluxtravels.com, and I can click that, go straight to my dashboard and edit my blog directly there. So I just made it like a little link. Kind of looks like an app, but it's not really an app. Adobe Draw, so this was the first app that I used before I started using like a few more professional apps, but I designed like all of these like really cute images and stuff on here. Like everything was done on here. This one's my favorite, and this one you can get as a sticker, but I did all of this on here with an Apple Pencil. But yeah, you can like do so many cool and cute and creative stuff. But I've done quite a lot. There was Nicki Minaj, Rami Ma. So yeah, I love using Adobe Draw. So if you like drawing, Adobe Draw is definitely a good starting point. And then you can go to something a little bit more advanced, which would be like Procreate. Netflix 8mm. 8mm is like a really old school film type thing as well. And then Glitch Artist, I love this app because you can literally make any picture into a glitch picture. It's so cute. Yeah, then the Stocks app, because you know we're gonna make that many. Splice, I don't really use that anymore actually. Lightroom, I use Lightroom to edit all my photos, like literally all my photos are edited on here. Then Spotify, Afterlight, which is my favorite photo editing app. You can like do some really cute filters on here, and then you can see like this is my camera roll. These are all the different elements and stuff that I use. Then this page, I don't really use any of these. Actually, yeah, I do. I'm lying. So this page, a color story, I use that on my phone as well. Rookie Cam is another, has really great filters. Kira if I want to look sparkly, but I mean, I don't think I've actually done any pictures with the Kira. Then we've got Pinterest, which is like obvious. Everyone uses Pinterest. It is like, and everyone gets their inspiration from Pinterest. I use it all the time. If you guys want to follow me, you can. I do post all my blog content and sometimes I post outfits and stuff like that. So then YouTube Studio, obviously I'm gonna need this. Snow, which I use to edit photos. All these edited images here, I edited them like with Snow. So on the last page, I've got like my reward style and all the different things that I use for my blog. And then my favorite games, which obviously is The Sims, Minecraft, SimCity, and this flip diving game is so freaking funny. Like you can like have the guy look like he's diving off a cliff, and like, I don't know why I find this so hilarious, but he'll like flip and fall on the cracks, and like it's just so freaking funny. So that always keeps me entertained when I'm on the plane. Oh, by the way guys, if you want me to do like the best apps for an airplane ride or a long ride, let me know, because I download so many games that keep me entertained for the airplane. I can definitely let you guys know about that. We've got Safari and then Procreate, which obviously is the most used app. I edit my blog photos, and like I did like a Pinterest pin here. And here's my vision board. This is the base to my vision board, which I did on here. And then I used my Apple Pencil and marked it up with like notes and little cutesy things, and like added on some text and stuff. In fact, let me show you guys my actual final vision board so you guys can see. But this is my actual vision board. So this is the whole thing. Some really cute quotes, notes to myself, and it's just in my color palette for the next year, and I love it. So now we've got Notability, which I use to do all of like my handwritten notes and stuff. And I've got like a little journal on here. I've got like some Spanish notes that I was working on, because you can see it's like basic Spanish. I've got like a journal with like some really nice like notes that I can scribble on, and I've just been giving myself some like pep talks and stuff. And these are all just like free printables and stuff you can get online, and I just like downloaded them, put them all into a PDF on here, and it just really helps me. I stay so organized using my iPad. So that's basically everything that I've got on my iPad. I do plan on doing a full detailed like how I take notes, like a really effective way to take notes on my iPad. I will let you guys know, because I used my iPad all through my last year of university, and I graduated with a first class honors, so my note-taking game is on point. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of any questions or things that you want to see, or videos that you want to see down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video for Vlogmas day 14 tomorrow. All right, bye guys.